Hi, I'm Michelle from Muskegon Area District Library. Today I'd like to show you how to make catapults from our Take It Make It kit that's available while supplies last at our branches. Disclaimer: the catapult in this Take It Make It kit is intended to shoot pom-poms through the air and across the room. It is not intended to shoot pom-poms at siblings, parents, or pets. Please use with caution. In your kit, you're going to find 9 craft sticks, 6 rubber bands, 3 pom-poms, and 1 spoon. You're going to start with 7 of the craft sticks, and you need to put a rubber band around them on one end as many times as you can to make it nice and tight, and then do the same on the other end. Then you take the remaining 2 craft sticks and you put a rubber band on those as close as you can to the end of the craft sticks. Next, you're going to take the 7 craft sticks and slide it into the 2 craft sticks right in the middle there, and you're going to want to push it down as close as you can, but be careful that you don't break the craft sticks. Then take a rubber band and wrap it around to hold it all together, and you make an X out of the rubber bands there. The next step is to take the spoon and put a rubber band around that to hold it onto the craft stick. So it goes around both the spoon and the craft stick. And then there's one more rubber band that you can use also on the other end of the spoon, which is a little tricky to get to, but it will hold the spoon in place better. So slide that down toward the end. Then you're going to take your pom-pom and you have to hold your catapult steady, and you can shoot it across the room. And whoops. There we go.
Okay, go for it.
And there's your catapult. You can adjust some things, like maybe move the spoon farther down the craft stick, or move the 9 craft sticks out closer toward this end, to try different things to see if you can get it to shoot farther. Be sure to watch MADL.org, our Facebook page, and our YouTube channel for more programming throughout the fall.